Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send messages on Tumblr. So first you just have to simply go and then open your Tumblr, and then here on your Tumblr you have to make sure that you have connected your account, you're verified. And then here, in order to message someone, all you have to do is to search that person's name or username. Here you can go to the search icon and then search the person's username or name right here. So once you found him or her, then you can basically click and then you can go to that person's profile, for example this one. And then here on the person's profile, you can see a message button. So let's just say if you wanted to send a message to this person right here. So what you're going to do is you have to simply look for that person's real account. So once you found that person's account, then you can tap the person's profile. Again, it will take you to the person's profile right here, and you should see this message where you can message the person. But unfortunately, in Tumblr, there are cases that you cannot send a message to the person if you don't follow each other back. So you have to follow this person first, and this person should follow you back in order for you to send messages. And there are also users here on Tumblr, for example, if she or he is your friend or like a common friend, then again, you have to search for that person's profile, tap on this message icon above, and then you can now message the person. You can send a message right here. You can also add GIF or send a picture, import from your gallery or album. So these are the ways and how to send messages on Tumblr. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.